Welcome. This video is a quick practical guide to fix blurry photos on your HONOR X7d smartphone. First, clean your camera lens thoroughly using a soft microfiber cloth, or if you don't have one, just use a dry towel. Just make sure that you do it carefully, not to damage the camera. And by the way, check if your camera has any visible damages on it. If it doesn't, then you can continue and open your camera app. Now, in order to focus on the object properly, you have to tap on it in your camera application to let your camera focus, and finally hold your phone steady with both hands and avoid shaking while capturing the shot to reduce the motion blur. You can also use additional features by opening this menu and selecting the grid line and the level. These two features will help you keep your device steady while taking a photo. So once again, tap on the object you want to capture and then press the button to take a photo. And by combining these physical, software and technique tips, you can take cleaner, sharper photos every time. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.